Hey guys, this is Prabhanjay. I am sanitizing my hands before making this project. Apply hand sanitizer to the palm of one hand. Rub your hands together, covering all the surfaces for up to 20 to 25 seconds or until they dry. Now for the project, take a scissor, fabric, N95 filter. Here I made a mask pattern on the sheet of paper and transparent film and some elastics. Now cut the pattern drawn on the paper, then cut the fabric accordingly. Here I cut the fabric into two similar shapes as the pattern. Now here I will stitch in these areas. Now I have done stitching. And then I am keeping the stitching part inside in such way that no stitching will be visible. Now I will stitch it around. Now I have done stitching without any sewing machine, but you can. Now here I will stitch the elastic on both sides. And for this N95 filter, I will make an filter pocket. Here I have done elastic stitching. And now for filter pocket, I will be sewing this thin fabric in this area to keep this filter. Here I have done the filter pocket, and now I am keeping this N95 filter in this pocket. Now I am going to make an eye shield, and I will cut and attach the transparent film on the top of the mask. Here I cut the transparent film. You can modify the size. Then I will stitch the bicep on the lower part. If you want, you can stitch in these areas. Here I stitched the bicep Then I will set the snap button on the transparent film to attach it to the mask. Here I set the snap button and attach it to the mask. If you like, you can use the mask only by removing the seal. Here, if you like, you can modify the curve shape. Here is your face mask with eye shield.